Month 1. Learn to control expenses. Track your monthly income and expenses. Cut unnecessary spending.
Month 2. Build a savings habit. Save at least 20% of your income. Keep savings in a separate bank account.
Month 3. Improve your skills. Learn a new skill that can increase your income. Invest in online courses or training. Month 4. Start small investments. Begin with small amounts in stocks, mutual funds, or digital investments. Month 5. Start a side income. Begin freelancing, an online business, or part-time work. Month 6. Expand your network. Connect with successful and positive-minded people. Look for new opportunities and ideas. Month 7. Become debt-free. If you have loans, make a repayment plan. Get rid of high-interest debt. Month 8. Build assets. Invest in land, business, or long-term opportunities. Month 9. Create passive income. Earn from rent, royalties, or online content. Month 10. Build your personal brand. Make your name or work well known through social media, YouTube, blogging, etc. Month 11. Reduce costs and increase profits. Simplify your lifestyle and avoid unnecessary luxuries. Increase your savings and investments. Month 12. Set big goals. Decide on high targets for the next year. Review your progress from the previous 11 months.